Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you must-have gardening equipment. Every gardener knows that having the right tools can make all the difference in creating and maintaining a thriving greenhouses. In this video, we will showcase a range of essential gardening equipment that will empower you to unleash your green thumb and cultivate a flourishing garden. From the basic to the specialized, let's explore the tools that will become your trusted companion in the world of gardening. Number 1. Hand trowel. A hand trowel is a versatile tool that is indispensable for any gardener. It's perfect for digging holes, transplanting seedling and loosening soil. Look a durable towel with a comfortable grip for hours of gardening enjoyment. Number 2. Pruning shears. Pruning shears, also known as secateurs, are essential for trimming and shaping plants. They allow you to cut branches, remove dead growth, and promote healthy growth. Invest in high quality pair with sharp blade with for precise and effortless pruning. Number 3. Garden fork. A garden fork is a robot tool that helps loosen compacted soil, turn compost and remove stubborn weeds. It's especially useful in larger garden areas where a shovel may be too cumbersome. Look for a steady fork with strong lines for maximum effectiveness. Number 4. Garden gloves. Protect your hands while working in the garden with a pair of durable and comfortable garden gloves. They provide essential protection against thorns, prickly plants, and soil-borne allergens. Choose gloves that fit well and offer good grip and dexterity. Number 5. Watering can or hose. Effect, Efficiently watering your plant is crucial, and having the right watering equipment is essential. Whether you opt for a classic watering can for precise targeting or a garden hose for broader coverage, ensure they are of good quality and have adjustable spray setting. Number 6. Garden rack. A garden rack helps level the soil, remove debris, and prepare the ground for planting. It's also handy for spreading mulch and something gravel pathways. Look for a rack with sturdy tines that can withstand regular use. Number 7. Wheelbarrow garden cart. For transporting heavy load of soil, mulch or gardening materials, a wheelbarrow or garden cart is must. It saves you from backstrain and make moving cumbersome items a breeze. Choose a model with steady construction and large capacity. Equipped with these essential gardening tools, you shall have everything you need to nurture your greenhouses, from the hand towel for the precise planning to the pruning shears for shaping and the garden fork for soil maintenance. These tools will empower you to create and maintain a thriving garden. Remember to invest in quality tools that are comfortable to use and built to last. So gather your gardening equipment, step into your garden sanctuary, and embark on an exciting journey of tending to nature's wonder with the right tools in hand. Thank you for watching.